This video is sponsored by Wacom. Video lessons are a fantastic way for you to free up time in the classroom to work with students individually or in small groups, since the video lesson is replacing the whole group lecture. There's a few things you can do to make videos that your students want to watch. Start each video off with a joke. Make it a terrible joke. When students begin to expect this, they will love it, and the cringier, the better. Use memes in your lessons because memes are funny and they put you in a good mood, which makes learning easier. If family members or roommates walk into your scene and interrupt you, don't restart the video. The students will love the unexpected nature of it, and it will be completely relatable. Try making a fun virtual background with Zoom or Flipgrid that ties with your lesson. Throw a secret word of the day somewhere in the middle of your video every once in a while, or maybe a prize goes to the 8th person to fill out a Google form that you link on your LMS. In regards to making your video look better, there's a few simple tweaks that you can make. Elevate your camera or laptop to be at eye level. One, it makes it look less like you're looking down on the students because you're not looking down on your laptop anymore. And two, having it at eye level is a little bit more flattering than having an upshot. If you can, make sure windows are in front of you and not behind you, lest you become a silhouette. And while it's natural to look down at the computer screen at the work that you're talking about, as often as you can, look up at the camera because it simulates eye contact with your students. And you don't need to buy a ton of equipment to make a good and engaging video lesson for your students, but there are two pieces of gear that I do recommend you get. The first is a USB microphone for better audio quality. I like the Fifine USB mic. It's only $30, and all last year I just kept it in my backpack so I could take it out whenever I needed to record a video lesson during my prep period.
If you have bad video but good audio, that's more forgiving than, say, having bad audio but pretty good video.
Additionally, it's worth getting a writing tablet. I liked the Intuos by Wacom, and while Wacom is the sponsor of this video, I was using the Intuos all last year before they were sponsoring any of my videos because Wacom is the company for writing tablets. It's super portable and something that you can just toss into your backpack. It's got a nice little spot for the pen so you don't lose it. And if you pair it with the screen recording app Screencastify, you can annotate all over your screen with the built-in annotation tools in Screencastify. If you've never used Screencastify, then check out this video that I did that was showing all the newest updates that they have, as well as some of the fun editing tools that you can use to spice your videos up a little bit. I'm also in that other video there, which is really the main reason you should go watch it. So go click over there. Click, 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 click.